Hello, dear friends. How are you? Hope you all be fine. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So today we are going to review an app which is Amazon app. For that purpose, first we have to click on Play Store app, and we have to click on the search bar. Okay, and we have to search Amazon app. As you know, Amazon is worldwide online shopping app or online purchasing app. You can scroll down and click on Amazon shopping. Then you have to download this app as I have downloaded it. So now friends, let's come to open this app. As you can see, this app has a very 4.2 review and a wide range of downloads. So we click on open to open this app. So for that purpose friends, you have to give your email and other mandatory informations to log in to the Amazon shopping account. Here you can see we have the interface of home page. You can buy anything and you can search a variety of things here. As you can see, here are popular products. You can buy all these things. Now we are scrolling it down and you can see different type of things having their retails and their prices. So friends, this is very beneficial and a worldwide app for purchasing something online. Okay, whenever you want to buy something, you have to click on that thing, and now you can scroll it down to add it to your cart. You can select the color, anything, any type of color you want. Here I am selecting the gold color. So it's temporarily out of stock. Gold color is not available nowadays. So I scroll down and click on add to cart. This product is added to my cart, and now I can select this product and buy it. Now as I click on the cart, so you can see the product will be here, and also the price is given. You can increase the quantity whatever you want, what quantity you want, or decrease it. And if you don't want to buy it, then you can delete it. You can add many more things to your cart, which are in your concept to be bought. So friends, here my orders, your account, and all other essentials are available when you click on your account. You can change your account, your email address. Here is your shopping list and other mandatory informations. So friends, you can go to setting to change it, and you can also note about your orders. Now let's come back to the home page, and this was a little bit information about Amazon app. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the video, then click on the like button, also comments and the comment section. Thank you once again. See you soon.